How do you know if your business videos are helping or just wasting time? Most people guess, but professionals make that choice with strategy in mind. If you watch my last video, then you've already learned what some of the potential hidden costs of do-it-yourself video are. So today, let's talk about how to make that call for your business. Should we do it yourself or should you hire a pro? Before picking up a camera yourself or hiring someone to help you, ask yourself, is this video designed to reach a specific goal? That could be something like leads or sales or engagement. Every second that your video isn't moving viewers toward that goal is wasted. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to feel pushy or salesy, but it's either moving people closer to action or further away. The next question to ask yourself is, do I personally have the time or the skill to hit the professional standards that represent my business well through video? Now, you know your product better than anyone else on the planet, but even small pacing or timing errors make your video feel awkward. And lastly, can I afford the hidden costs of do-it-yourself video? That's things like decision fatigue, having a bunch of different takes, endless editing. All that stuff adds up really fast and it costs real dollars. Do-it-yourself videos fail for a lot of different reasons. You might nail the lighting, but miss the pacing or rhythm. A pause that's half a second too long can make a clip feel really awkward, and that's enough for viewers to scroll away. And people don't consciously think about why, but they leave your video anyway. When it's your own business, everything feels super important. And sometimes your emotional attachment can distract from what the audience actually needs to see. Professionals can spot these kind of things even before you begin filming. That's what separates videos that just look good from videos that perform well. The smart approach isn't DIY versus professional. It's knowing when to do it yourself and when to call in a pro. Now, to help business owners make these decisions with a little bit more confidence, I put together a free guide showing you exactly what to look out for when hiring a professional video partner. Just comment the word pro guide below and I'll send it right over to you. And if you're ready to take your video strategy to the next level, we could set up a quick chat to see how professional video can help you hit your business goals faster. Remember, your videos don't just need to look good, they need to perform. And knowing how to approach them strategically is what makes all the difference. I'll see you in the next one.